9 survival gadgets that will prepare you for anything. Be prepared for life surprises by equipping yourself with these amazing gadgets. They will help you stay connected with loved ones, survive emergencies, and handle unexpected repairs during your adventures. While exploring new places is exciting, don't neglect your safety. Carry a few survival tools in case of unforeseen circumstances. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Number 1. The Phoenix Multi-Tool by Soul may appear small, but it packs 8 functions into one compact body. It's like a pocket-sized lifesaver. With its retractable flint, you can easily create a fire wherever you are. Extract tinder from the watertight Tender Quick compartment and utilize the multi-tool knives, serrated blade for kindling and meal preparation. Additionally, it features a wrench and screwdriver for unforeseen fixes. The handy LED light with a belt clip can be useful for navigation in the dark or sending an SOS signal. Moreover, it includes a built-in whistle that can be heard from over a mile away in case of emergencies. This gadget is a must-have before heading out. Number 2. When venturing into the wilderness, having access to clean drinking water is crucial. However, carrying heavy water tanks can burden your backpack. Enter the LifeStraw personal water filter, weighing only 2 ounces. This compact filter effectively removes 99% of waterborne bacteria, parasites, and microplastics using its microfiltration membrane. It even reduces turbidity. When used and maintained properly, the filter can provide 1,000 gallons of clean and safe drinking water. If you don't have a nearby water source at your campsite, the gravity filter system from the same manufacturer can accommodate up to 270 ounces of water. Its durable design can withstand bumps and scrapes, and it's effortless to use. Just hang it from a tree or your RV, allowing gravity to filter the water. The system offers a high flow rate and can remove sand and silt without clogging. It ensures 500 gallons of fresh water, eliminating the risk of infections. Number 3. For immediate fire starting needs, the Procamptek Fast Fire Stick is indispensable for outdoor enthusiasts. This compact and portable fire-starting tinder can be ignited using various common methods. The stick-shaped tinder is composed of compressed cotton infused with a proprietary wax solution, making it easy to ignite and burn for a long time. Additionally, the entire product, including the wrapper, can be used as tinder. Number 4. This is another noteworthy product. It's the Procamptek Fire Strip Roll, which is a waterproof and wax-infused paper tape designed for fire starting. It functions similarly to the Fast Fire Stick, but comes in a roll for convenient transportation on camping trips or hikes. With these fire-starting tools in your backpack, you'll never have to worry about being stranded in the cold without a fire. Number 5. In situations where you find yourself stranded in the wilderness without warm clothing, or when the weather suddenly turns harsh, the emergency survival blanket becomes incredibly useful. This blanket, constructed from the same material used to shield NASA's Apollo space program equipment from radiation, serves as an excellent reflector of body heat. It reflects up to 90% of your body heat back towards you, effectively preventing hypothermia or shock. Additionally, the blanket is waterproof, windproof, reusable, and conveniently compact, making it a perfect addition to your emergency kit, backpacking gear, or bug-out bag. Number 6. Now, let's talk about a versatile tool that combines 23 functions into a 4-pound body, suitable for various outdoor activities. Made from durable Martin acidic stainless steel and aviation aluminum, this tool offers exceptional sturdiness. It includes several handles, each containing specific tools such as a knife, fish spear, survival whistle, and more. The number of handles is expandable, allowing you to bring the tools you need the most when you need it the most. Moreover, each tool within the device serves multiple functions. For instance, it functions as a shovel and can be turned over to become an axe. It also features useful tools like a steel wire saw. This multi-tool is easily portable with the included storage bag. Number 7. Now let's move on to the Bug Out Frag Advanced, which may look like a grenade, but it's actually a fully functional survival kit packed with 33 different tools. Made with 45 inches of high-quality paracord, it is lightweight and compact. The kit includes a pull pin for easy attachment to your pack, belt, or other tactical gear. Number 8. If you're looking for a comprehensive survival kit, consider the Prepper's Packed Backpack. This remarkable backpack is designed to sustain 2 or more people for up to 72 hours, providing essential items for various scenarios. It includes a 3-in-1 phone charger, radio, and flashlight powered by a crank or solar energy. The kit also features N95 masks, a Scout water filter, reflective UV guard goggles with anti-fog properties, reusable and fixed zip ties for various lengths, a multi-tool paracord knife, a first aid kit, emergency blankets, winterized work gloves, hand warmers, and more. The large medical kit contains a range of medical supplies, including compression bandages, trauma shears, a thermometer, and even a scalpel. Additionally, a triangular bandana with printed black survival information is included for any emergency situation. Number 9. When it comes to fire starting tools, the Typhoon Match Kit offers powerful and reliable matches. These matches are designed to work in any conditions, featuring a heavy-duty construction and 15 windproof and water-resistant Typhoon matches. Each match can burn for up to 30 seconds, and the kit includes a water-resistant lid and storage chamber with an integrated strike pad cap. The matches can even withstand being submerged in water or rain, ensuring you can light a fire in the most severe conditions. Alternatively, you may prefer the Firestarter Survival Tool, which can be ignited with a single spark from the ferro rod Firestarter. By fluffing the end of the wick and lighting it, you can use the mobile flame as a versatile tinder for starting campfires. And that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.